To set up this course, you will need a Connect account. If you don't already have an account, please reach out to me so that I can provide you with our representatives' contact information for McGraw-Hill so that we can get that going. Once you have an account, you'll also need to email me so that I can share the master copy of the course in Connect. And then once you have that, for every section, every term that you teach the course, you need to create a new section, as you can see I've done here below. And you do that by clicking on this settings icon and selecting duplicate section. And then as you can see below, I always like to use the year and the term. And we're going to click continue to section and scroll down and continue to section again. And then you'll have your section for the specific term that you're teaching. You'll click in the section web address and select copy or Control C depending on, or Command C depending on your computer, to copy the link. And then once in Blackboard, you'll need to scroll to or navigate to each of the weeks in Blackboard and scroll down to the Connect web link and choose to edit. And then you will replace the existing URL with the URL that you just grabbed from your section of Connect. I'm going to cancel, but you're going to submit that and save so that when your students click on this link, they're going specifically to the section of Connect that you created for their term. And I'm not going to go through this, but you do need to do that for each of the weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4 because there is a Connect link in each of those. And so that's all you need to do to set up your Blackboard classroom. Back in Connect, though, you will need to do a couple of things. You'll need to change the dates for the assignments, and you can do that by selecting the week, clicking on this little paper icon, and selecting Manage Dates. And then you'll select start and end times that correspond with the weeks in your class. So you'll do that for each of those 4 weeks. You'll also need to set the registration date for your class, which is important. It's easy to forget, but to do that, you click on these three dots over here and click Set Registration Dates, and then click on Specific Sections. And then you scroll to the section that you created and you change the dates. I like to open mine up from the first day of class into, whatever you feel is appropriate, whether it's the end of week 2, but so that if students jump in and get a late start, they would still be able to register. And then you click Apply. And then, so that's everything that you need to do to set up your course. Once the students start completing work, you will need to manually enter the grades from Connect into Blackboard, into the Blackboard gradebook. So I do that by clicking on Performance, Reports, Assignment, and I don't have any students enrolled in this course, but you just select the work from the first week of class and click View Report. And I don't have any students, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But once you got onto this page, you would see that there's actually an Export to Excel button up here. And if that helps you a little bit visually see all the grades for the students, that's typically what I like to do. So if you have any questions on setting up the course, definitely let me know. My contact information is in the setup instruction area. Thank you.